Today, let's take a look at silver. So, the precious metals have recently taken a bit of a dive, but before that, it had been doing quite well for itself. And I was taking a look at SLV a couple months ago and drew in a couple trend lines. But since then, I haven't really taken a look at it because it was in a decline. But now, if we look at it today, we'll notice that there seems to be a bit of a head and shoulders forming here. There's the shoulder, head, head. And there's the neckline, which is also a resistance. And you see it break up above both the neckline and the resistance, and then coming back down to retest. If that holds, this should be a reliable indicator for a reversal in the trend. Should we see such a reversal, oops, being a little finicky. Just want to draw a line. Then we might be able to see gains going back up to nearly previous highs of around $26. But again, before that, we will hit some resistance along the way. Now, having said that, you'll notice all these gaps downs mostly. So this could be a bumpy ride. But what I really want to say is precious metals have been sort of overshadowed by cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, as famously put, the digital gold. And I've recently seen some articles that purport to say that perhaps Bitcoin is replacing gold and other precious metals like silver as the go-to hedge against inflation and just overall replacement of gold. And soon, maybe, gold and silver will only have industrial applications instead of as a holder of wealth. Well, of course, I don't think it'll ever get to that point, but that could be the direction it is heading, so says the article. I don't think so. I think gold and silver still has a lot of room left to run. Bitcoin is a good storage of value, but in the end, traditionally, gold has been the hedge, and I think going forward, gold will continue to be sort of the gold standard of assets outside of the dollar. So I think this overall trend of precious metals continuing to rise will continue in the years to come.